Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on getting started with Flutter. Flutter is a mobile app development framework that allows you to build high performance and beautiful apps for Android, iOS, and web using a single code base. We are going to walk you through the installation process of Flutter. So, whether you are new to mobile development or just looking to expand your skill set, this video is just for you. So let's get started. I'm on the flutter.dev website. I recommend everyone going through it. They have some really nice content here. But yeah, for the purpose of the installation, let's click on Get Started. I'm using the Mac OS here, but if you are using Windows or Linux, this should be easier also, okay? So here's a very important tip that you need to do before if you are using the Apple Silicon Mac. As I'm using here the M1, I need to run this first. So let me open my terminal, let me zoom in a little bit and paste this command here. Let me enter my password. Okay, while this is running, we need to download the Flutter zip file. As I'm using the Apple Silicon, I will choose this one. Then they are asking us to extract it. Let me go inside my downloads folder. As I don't want to keep this in my downloads folder, I will move this file to my work folder here. Now let's go inside it and unzip the Flutter file. Okay, now they are asking us to add this to the path, but I want to permanently add Flutter to my path. So let's click here. They are giving some instructions. As I'm using zshrc, I will edit this file. So vim zshrc. They are asking us to add this here. And paste it. Okay. Now let me open a new terminal window here. Go inside work Flutter, then type print working directory. Let's copy this, paste it here. Okay, let's remove this slash, add one here. Now let's save it. We should reload our file. So okay, now if we try which Flutter, we have the path here. Okay, so the platform setup, the iOS setup, this is the easier one, okay? You just need to run these commands, it's very easy, so you're good to go. If you already have the Xcode installed, you should be okay. Now let's move to the Android one. Okay, so you should go to the Android website, download it here, and install it. After you install it, let me show what you need to configure there. There is a Flutter Doctor commands that you run that help you a lot, but let me show you. Before running it, you could open Android Studio, go to SDK Manager, then here on the tab SDK Tools, you should select this one here, Android SDK Command Line Tools, alright? So, okay, now you should be able to run Flutter Doctor. In my case, everything is okay, but you probably are going to face some issues with licenses, so you should run this here, this command here. After you see that everything here is green, you are okay to go. Sometimes users are facing problems with Android Studio on Mac. You should go here on Applications, Android Studio, right click on it, go to Show Package Contents. Inside Contents, you should create a new folder called JRE and go ahead and copy all these files here inside GBR, in this case the contents folder, and paste it inside here. You should be good to go now, okay? Now let's create our first Flutter application. Let me go inside my folder videos here and we should run Flutter create my first app. So Flutter is working here to create this, and after it finishes, let's go to my first app. Let me open this on my VS Code, and we should execute here Flutter run. As I don't have any simulator running right now, they are asking me if I want to run it on macOS or Chrome. Let me quit it. I will open my iPhone simulator using this command here. Okay, so let's wait a second for it to open. Okay, now that my iPhone is running, let's try Flutter run again. So this is launching the app on my iPhone 14 simulator. While this is running, let's go here on our codes, and you can check here inside lib main.dart. Here are our entire app right now. Okay, you should be able to change some stuff here, play around, and see your change instantly on your mobile application. And that is it. We have Flutter up and running right now. So thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, and I'm looking forward to the next videos here, guys. Thanks a lot. See you. Bye bye.